Banana pancake. Banana naturally has many nutritional values. Female married women love it when their husband buy it and give it to them. It makes them happy and laugh. Ha 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 ha. Good to see you once again. You are all welcome. You need your banana, your butter, your flour, your evaporated milk, and then little salt. And what again? Please give me egg. You need your 2 eggs. First, peel off your banana and then put it inside a blender. Next, add your 5 teaspoons of flour, all-purpose flour. Then add little butter, about quarter of the teaspoon. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Then add little salt. The next ingredient is vanilla extract. If you don't have the vanilla extract, don't worry because the banana itself is vanilla banana. The next, please break 2 eggs into separate bowl and whisk it. Put it into separate bowl because sometimes the eggs are kept very long at the farm or at the shop. If anything can go wrong, it will. In order to avoid banana pancake broken heart, just whisk the 2 eggs into separate bowl. Next, we are adding evaporated milk. This full milk is 387 ml. I added 280 ml of this evaporated milk. Next, we are going to add 5 teaspoons of water, fresh water. After adding 5 teaspoons of fresh water to the 280 ml milk, we are going to blend everything together. Blend it very smoothly. If your blender is not good, you can use a patayua and remove any aggressive ingredient from the mixture and then take it cautiously by the fireside. You know, your health is very important, so add little oil to the frying pan which is on the fire and then scoop your banana pancake into the frying pan and shake it to spread. In a minute, your pancake is ready. If you love eating banana pancake regularly but you have overweight problem, obolobo, cardiovascular disease, diabetes, high blood pressure, then it is advisable to skip the evaporated milk, the sugar, and the butter, even though it is not going to taste good, but it's a life choice. Choose life or choose the food. Oh, sorry, but once a while, it is not a problem, but if you intend to eat it in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, then sorry, it is going to give you problem. Thank you for subscribing to Safuba Foods TV. Keep the rest in the fridge if you couldn't eat all.